Sometimes when you are used to good things, even the bare minimum seems like it is a loss. Lama wins Lawai 5 in a row made us feel good about supporting Kaizer Chiefs, but this draw made it look like it was like a loss, especially coming to those wins. But truth be told, because Kaizer Chiefs today was not playing like a team that was wanting to win. We can say ukuthi Ipulukwane City was the one that looked like a team that would win this game. And a draw for them, I'd say ukuthi, it wasn't a good result, especially after the performance that they showed against the Kaizer Chiefs. It was a home ground advantage. They knew what they should do, but that's not an excuse. Kaizer Chiefs, they knew very well what they are up against in Polokwane City. We know ukuthi Polokwane City has a coach that believes in his ideas, and that simply means ukuthi whatever instructions that he tells his players is the right instructions that allows the team to play the way they are playing. They play according to their strength. That's what you need from a good coach. I believe Phuthi Mohaf is one of the best coaches in that. But here you could tell the game plan was pretty clear. Is that we know Kaizer Chiefs doesn't have speed at the back, especially on the left-hand side and in that middle of the park. So what have they done? They made sure they play a lot of long balls. But with Chiefs, with their new way of playing, whereby they start with 3 and then overload the middle of the park and attack with 3. It simply means that when they attack, it's 3-4-3. But when they defend, it's 4-3-3. But that wasn't good in the first half because Umonyane, there were moments whereby Udlamini could have capitalized in him not being in his position because there were many long balls that were on that right hand side and it seemed like he was troubling Ukiven Msima. But the fortunate part is that we didn't concede. But I can tell Uguti, the game plan was that when you are playing Kaizer Chiefs, in that middle of the park, don't allow them to have freedom. Press them. And what that simply means, they will be rushed into making decisions. And we know our players, most of them, they are not comfortable playing in tight spaces. That's why you'd see even if Umdu in the first half will receive a ball, already there's someone at his back trying to press him. So it simply means he had to be forced into making a decision that he doesn't want. If he has to shoot, he shoot. If he has to pass, Mele Arasha he pass. So that simply means coach Phuthi Mohaf knew Kaizer Chiefs, if you don't give them space behind your defense, it simply means they won't be effective. You could see how they nullified Ulilip, how they nullified Uduba, because it was forcing them to drop back and then go in deeper position to collect for the ball so that them at the back, their defensive organization becomes solid. So I can say Kaizer Chiefs, even in the first half, they were not fluid going forward and they couldn't be more articulate in terms of attacking. But they were playing in patches. That simply means they were waiting for moments. That's why we would see a player like Flavio Silva, he was even subbed off because he was not influential in that game. But the good thing about him is that he was pressing, was not letting the defense of Ipulukwane City rest because he knew when I receive the ball, bazoza give me. So it simply means Uduba, Ushabalala, Ulilebo must be free. But that didn't work well because it didn't work out well because what happened is that a left back and the right back of Ipulukwane City, they made sure there's no space behind, so there's nothing that was going to be dangerous that was going to be caused by Kaizer Chiefs. As they were tightly marking Kaizer Chiefs and they made sure there's less space behind them so that even if Kaizer Chiefs try to do and trade amateur balls, they will be met by goalkeeper wabo Mthombeni. So logo kuchaza they were willing and hoping they will profit from long balls, the diagonals, and win second balls in that middle of the park because they knew a partnership of Umaboy and uThabo Cele, it was all about technical ability. So they tried their utmost best not to lose balls in areas whereby they could get hurt. And I was impressed by the display of Cele, because for a player that didn't play regularly, but how calm and composed he was on the ball, that's what mattered the most. Even though the results were not the ones that we wanted. But I'd say Umaboy getting this man of the matches, it is because in a game, uyaziveza, but the one thing that Elekanga is that Makmele avele to receive the ball from his defenders. Kula akasha khona. It is better if uzwenele yena. But overall, I'd say ukuthi from iPolokwane City, makala is second half. That's where they showed ukuthi they wanted to win this game, because it was wave of attack after wave of attack. That simply meant ukuthi now they saw ukuthi okay, it's like Kaizer Chiefs, their players were now losing in concentration. So they wanted to capitalize on that using transition, using turnovers, using speed. Good Daniels, good Dlamini, because Dlamini could have scored that goal, that it was a turnover where Kaizer Chiefs lost the ball in the middle of the park and they thread that long ball. Msimango tried ukuthi al intercept, but liye emva kwakhe bese bahamba nalo, whereby ukuthi cishe wakora, he missed that ball. But I'd say ukuthi one thing that was letting Kaizer Chiefs down in this game is that they were playing the kind of football that was predictable. If they want to use the left-hand side to attack, they will stick on attacking with the left-hand side, whereby which it won't cause a frustration from the defense of iPolokwane City. It won't make them be frustrated because they don't know what to expect, but they knew okay, mabeza ngiside lika right, especially Kaizer Chiefs may introduce uBartman, Sereno. That's where they saw okay, Tina, let's do what? Let's stretch the field. If ever we are switching to the left, let's attack using that flank. If you are switching to the right, let's use that flank. So it was making it difficult. With Kaizer Chiefs, it was predict, but they managed to get away with the draw. And there were some crucial saves by Brennan Peterson to keep Kaizer Chiefs in this game. If it wasn't for him, that first chance by Ramabu and that chance Leana, I keep it where it was a corner. Kaizer Chiefs with second phase, be Valamel. So I'd say a game like this, Bradley Cross did good. He was great. I'd say Monyane, he was great. And I was very impressed with Okiven Msimango. Okiven Msimango today showed he is a player that you must rely on, especially aerially. He was good. He hijacked Bemvumel, and also my interceptions that he made. Also Miguel, as it was a sub that was not prepared because of an injury, that hamstring go Aaron Makad, but he also showed class because there was that last minute tackle that he made, that slide. But he was there to recover. So it simply means his awareness allowed him to be at the right time, at the right place. So that's why he ended up Akoze that corner. But Kaizer Chiefs second half, to be honest, the subs were not that influential. Sereno or Batman, they were not adding that creative spark going forward. And for a player like Ma, with every time when he was receiving the ball, he was facing our own post. He was not facing the other direction. So it simply means he had to trap the ball and give it to one of our players. And also it simply means with the mele as tengele iskhathi ukuthi ajike ayozungena kuma good positions. But the Kaizer Chiefs were not the side that I can say were playing good and wanted to win this game, because how iPolokwane City prepared. They prepared very well for Kaizer Chiefs. They knew okay, this is how we're gonna make it difficult for them and frustrate them, because Chiefs deployed 2-6, I believe, in Ucele and Umaboy, and that showed creativity. It had to be on Mduduzi Shabala, but now he was tightly marked, making it difficult for him to be influential and be effective in that number 10 role. One delay to also, that's why they ended up being subbed. Also Flavio Silva, he was subbed. But the game ngasho a draw, it was a decent result for Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest. We didn't deserve more than that, because we were playing against a team that were willing runners, that were able and were ready to suffer and sacrifice themselves and do the running so that they can get that goal that they've wanted, but they didn't.